This is the tutorial on how to use 3D Anatomy Plus app. As you can see, when I move my fingers over the 3D model, it gets rotated and we can view it from different angles. Pinching does the zooming in or zooming out onto the model. When I click the skeletal button, we now see the skeletal mode. As I click different components of the model, they get highlighted by green color, and their name appears on the above white button. Clicking the white button will open up information related to that clicked part. The font size of text can also be changed. If you are reading the information in low light, you can click the day-night button to change the background. You can also read in landscape mode. There is an eagle eye button on top right, to make the model transparent to find out the density of muscles. If you want to view a component covered by another one, then just click the exterior component and hit the eye button on the top left. This will disable the exterior component so that you have clearer view of other components. Re-clicking the eye button without selection will re-enable the latest disabled component. Click the reset button on top right to enable all components. There is a button on top left corner. Clicking it will show magnify icon. With magnify enabled, if you click a part, the part will be centered on the screen for in-detail study of that particular part. When you have clicked the part which you want to focus, re-click the magnify button to set it to normal so that you don't lose focus from that part if you misclick on any other part. Click the reset button on top right corner to recenter the full model back to its original view. The 3D models can be visualized in landscape mode also.